This video will show you how to install a new First Alert battery-powered alarm. Inside the box, you'll find the alarm, the easy fit mounting plate, the mounting bracket, installation screws, and the user manual. If the model you're installing has a removable battery compartment, the required batteries will also be included. Additional materials needed, which are not included in the box, are a standard flathead screwdriver and a pen. You will also need a sturdy ladder tall enough for installation. Before getting started, label the side of the alarm with the install date. Using the screwdriver, mount the bracket flush with the ceiling or wall using the provided screws. Always install the bracket supplied with the new alarm. Older brackets will not align or lock properly, impeding smoke flow. Align the alarm with the mounting bracket and rotate clockwise until it locks firmly in place. On removable battery models, remove the plastic tab and make sure the batteries are correctly in place. On sealed battery models, pull the activation tab on the top of the alarm. Once mounted, test the alarm to verify proper operation by pushing the test button. For smoke, you'll hear a 3-beep sequence, a short pause, and then the same 3-beep sequence again. For carbon monoxide, the alarm will produce 4 beeps, followed by a pause, and then repeat the 4-beep sequence. Testing confirms both the sensor and horn are functioning correctly. For technical support or additional product documentation, visit First Alert support resources. Thanks for watching.